Welcome, dear friends. Today, we will embark on a whimsical journey through the tranquil beauty of a Zen garden. Ready to chase some butterflies? Begin by taking a deep, calming breath. As you exhale, feel the bustle of your day fade away. Picture a beautifully ornate gate in front of you. As it swings open, a serene Zen garden welcomes you in. Imagine stepping onto a path of smooth pebbles, each one shaped and polished by time, just like your experiences. Feel the pebbles underfoot, grounding you in this peaceful place. The path leads you to a tranquil koi pond. Observe the fish, their vibrant colors flashing in the sunlight, reminding you of the beauty of diversity and the dance of life. Now, look around and notice the meticulously manicured trees and plants, each one inviting you to appreciate its unique shape and form. See the fluttering leaves, hear the soft rustle, reminding you of the ebb and flow of life. Suddenly, a fluttering butterfly catches your eye, its wings shimmering with delicate hues. You start to follow its playful flight, each butterfly leading you deeper into the Zen garden. As you chase these graceful creatures, you start to feel as light and free as they are. Each fluttering wing carries away a worry, leaving you with a sense of profound peace. You find yourself in the center of the Zen garden, surrounded by butterflies. With a sense of awe and joy, you realize that this place, this moment, is a reflection of your inner peace. As we wrap up this whimsical journey, take a deep breath in and out. You've experienced the serene tranquility of a Zen garden and the whimsy of chasing butterflies. Carry this feeling of peace and joy with you as you open your eyes. Remember, this Zen garden, these butterflies, are always here for you. Whenever you need a dose of serenity and whimsy, simply close your eyes, take a deep breath, and step through the garden gate. Until next time, keep chasing butterflies with a smile.